Next, let's talk about the several purchase options of the AWS instances. Elastic Compute Cloud or EC2 instances can be purchased using several different options on demand. These instances allow you to pay for compute capacity by the hour or by the seconds with no long-term commitment or upfront payment. This is the most flexible and easiest way to get started with EC2. Reserved instances. These instances provide a significant discount up to 75% compared to on-demand instances if you commit to using the instances for 1 or 3 years term. Reserved instances also provide the options to pay upfront or in a monthly installment. Spot instances. These instances allow you to bid on spare Amazon EC2 computing capacity, making it possible to request spare Amazon EC2 instances at a lower price than the on-demand price. Dedicated host. These instances provide you with a physical server dedicated for your use that you can launch one or more instances on. This can be useful for regulatory compliance or software licensing requirements. Saving plan. This option allows you to save up to 72% of your compute capacity by committing to a consistent amount of uses for 1 or 3 years term across the AWS services like EC2 and Fargate. It is important to note that purchase options that will work best for you will depend on your specific use case and requirements. It's recommended to review the different options and evaluate the most cost effective options based on your workloads, budget, and compliance requirement. Let's say if you have a website that you need on a permanent basis, to host that website, a reserved instance is a good choice. But if you need a website temporarily just for the testing, on demand instance is a better choice. But if you need a virtual server for batch processing, Spot instance is a better choice. And if you need a dedicated host to host your applications for compliance region, then dedicated host is a better choice. So the instance type you will choose depend on your business requirement, application requirement, and your compliance requirement.